Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to address a question we get all the time on our social media. Sometimes it's not even a question, it's just a comment. You guys are too expensive. If you want to save money, go with one of our competitors. And I'm going to show you why. This is a cover for a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT. This is also a cover for a 2015 Ford XLT. These are the same cover, but when you get this cover from a competitor, this is how it's going to arrive to you. Folded up in a little plastic bag. Our cover from TheSeatShop, you cannot fold this into a little plastic bag. It just won't do, and if you did, you're going to destroy this cover. So let's take this out and look and see exactly what you get from our competitors. As I open this out of this wonderful protective plastic bag, first thing I notice, it's just very floppy, and I haven't even got into testing the colors and the textures and the patterns. I haven't even got into that yet. So let's first look how a factory match replacement cover from TheSeatShop, made in Texas, is gonna look versus your overseas made covers that are a lot cheaper. Yes, you could save a lot of money on these covers, but this is what you get. You ordered a replacement cover for your vehicle because you want it to look like the rest of your interior. You want your pattern to match the top. You want your seat to match your passenger seat, right? Well, let's look at what you're going to get. And this is a cloth cover. This is what came in the XLTs. This color from Ford is called medium earth gray. These are close, but it's not exact. You can hear that. This is so much more durable. This is the same material that has came in your vehicle when you got it. So it's durable, it's rough. You could feel it's thick, it's padded. And this is your bolster. This part of your seat is extremely important. So thick, it's padded, and it's got texture. There's some beefiness to it. Now over here, there is no texture. It feels just like a cloth. It's not durable at all, and it feels very, let me get on this side so I could test that side with this side. Now, it does have a little bit of cushion inside, but not near as thick and as durable and robust as this. You get to see it. It supports itself here. This one is not. It's just cheap. I mean, that's the best way to describe it. It is cheap. It is cheaper materials. It's not the same quality, and that's what you get. And it's not the same texture. It's not the same color. Now let's look at the pattern on top. Can you see that difference? This is not going to match your seat back, and it's not going to match your other seats in the vehicle. It's going to stand out like a sore thumb. So let's look at it. This has a, it's almost like you could say it's the same shape, but it's different color. This has more of a sheen to it. Let's see if you can see that. The material has more of a sheen. This is more dull, but this is what came in your vehicle. And it feels so much more thick. Like this is thick, it's rough. You hear the difference. It's softer. This is nowhere as durable as what you're going to get from TheSeatShop. Let's turn it over. Let's look at the inside. Inside. This is your seat backing material. This is how thick it is. You see that thickness of that foam right there? That's not very thick, and it's not durable. Let's go over here. Look at how much thicker this is, and this is durable. You can feel it. I mean, you actually holding these two covers, you feel the difference. I mean, right off the bat. Take color and materials and texture, take all that out the window when you just hold these two products. This is just a floppy cover, and this is more rigid. This is so much more better material and craftsmanship than what this is. But if you want to save money, go with this. We don't care, go with this. To install these covers, you do have to take out your seat in your vehicle. It is not hard to do. It's 4 bolts. You're gonna have a plug, if there is a plug, depending on the model of your vehicle. If there's a plug, you're gonna unplug it. When you do have to remove your old cover. Whether you're gonna replace the foam with Durafoam or keep your factory foam, that's really up to you. We always suggest, if we offer foam for your vehicle, to replace it, because it's just, your seat is just gonna feel new again. If you've gotten to the point where you have to replace your cover, you can pretty much guarantee that that foam is at the end of its life. It's probably lopsided. You might even be having back problems. When you're driving, it's uncomfortable. So there's so many factors on why you want to replace your foam in your vehicle. So we highly, highly, highly recommend to replace your foam. But you're gonna take out your seat, you're gonna take the time to put on this seat cover, and then this is not gonna last, and you're going to be disappointed on how it looks. It's gonna be disappointed how it fits and how long it lasts, all because you want to save some money. And I get it, we all want to save money, but you get what you pay for. But I'm not done. Let's look at the clips. The clips are so important. The clips are gonna say, how well is this gonna hold on to your seat pan? Is this thing gonna pop off your seat pan as you're mid-driving because you hit a bump and now your clips have came undone? And now you have to take your seat out to re-put your clips back on? Here is the clips that come from like the factory, and these are called J-clips. They're hard plastic, they're really rigid. In this particular seat, the clips are in the same place, just like the factory, just like where OEM puts them. These have clips in all the exact same places, so it's gonna fit just like your factory original. And these clips have a hook. I hope you could see this. Let me see if I can get a better, there you go. See, this has like a hook inside. So once you clip it, this sucker is not coming off. This is what cheap competitors use. Do you see this flimsy rubber? The best way I could describe this feel is almost like weather stripping. I mean, and this is what's supposed to hold your seat. Now it does have some little prongs inside, but man, I could just separate this with my hand. Look, and you putting your body weight on here, you're bouncing as you're hitting bumps, it's flexing, it's moving. This is going to pop off your seat pan in no time. And then next thing you know, what are you doing? You're spending your Saturday reinstalling your seat cover because it just won't stay on. Then what you did is you realize you spent $50 on a cover, you're upset, you should have did it right the first time. You're gonna be so much happier that you did that. And I'm not done. Side carpet on your seats. It's a big deal. You have your seat cover, your truck, it's installed. What do you see on the side of your seat? It's visible, everybody sees it. Well, first of all, this is what comes in the vehicle. This is gonna match like the other carpet you have in your vehicle. Alternatives. It's not even carpet. That's what you're getting. That's what you're gonna get. I just wanted to do a quick video to explain to you guys when you're like, I could get this much cheaper on eBay or a different store on Amazon. Whatever, wherever. You get what you pay for. That's what I'm trying to say here. Cheap doesn't mean good. This is why, guys, we say, buy American, buy it once. Yes, it's gonna be more expensive, but you are gonna be so much happier with this product than you are with this product. It's gonna last longer, you're gonna be so much more happy, it's gonna feel better, and it's gonna look better. I can't stress it enough. So again, TheSeatShop.com. We thank you guys. I hope this is a good bit of information for you, and we'll see you on the next video.